What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today Peach and I are just down the river. We're out in the tinny. Peach is going on. So yeah, pretty good day today. Today we're just going to go for a fish, hopefully get some, and then we're going to go dive some bridges and some structure, see if we can get any fish on footage or find some lures or anything. Alright, yeah, so we've arrived at the bridge. So what the fish do is they hide under all these pontoons. And Eli and I dove here about a couple of months ago, and we spotted some big cod, a couple of jacks, and some trevally swimming past. So hopefully they're home, and I'll show you guys in a minute.
The edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Yeah, Peach and I have just been driving this edge here, good drop off, and we found an old abandoned farm plot, so we're going to pull up and have a look and check what's inside.
That's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am confused.
So we throw that star pot out, pick up this nice gunmetal, so we'll put it out and release them.
Let it go away. Struck up with it, mate.
I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Yeah, so that's pretty disappointing. That would have been like a 40-45 centimeter jack, healthy one too, and someone's come along, shot it, which is illegal in the river in the first place, but just to leave it here to die, that's pretty sad. Like, we got a pretty healthy jack system in NOOSA, and this is the thing that just destroys the environment. And it's been in for a couple of days now. It's pretty stinky, so we'll take it up in the bush somewhere, bury it so it doesn't smell anymore, and yeah. Alright guys, that's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one, eh? Catch you.